Hi, my name is Haley Bauer. I'm an elementary education major, and I want to, in the future, become a second grade teacher. So this is my homepage for my ePortfolio, and this is basically just a free image I got from one of the websites we were provided. I wrote a little welcoming statement. I thought it'd be very cute. And it just basically talks about what this website is for and my goal for doing this. I also put a little quote or inspiration for me as I titled it with another free image in the background. I just thought it was really cute. So this is my homepage. My second page is my About Me page. So this page is basically talking about where I was born, where I graduated from high school and when, and then basically the process of me finally realizing that I actually wanted to teach or wanted to become a teacher, basically. And then I have a little picture of myself on there. This page is basically for my resume. I have a little file here in case people use this website as my actual portfolio, and they can look on, see my resume, and then there's also a little description about how I feel about my resume and what I want with it. So then my last page is my sample work page. So all of this is some work that I've done in this class, and actually some work that I've done, well, one of them is work that I've done in a previous class. So there's little descriptions next to each button, and basically you just click them. And then this is a video I did on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. It's a whiteboard video. And then here is a link to my blog. So these are all my blog posts. Oh my goodness. So then after that, I also did a lesson plan in my Intro to Teaching course, and that's on here. And then we have my video about cell phone addiction. It's just a small cartoon. So this is actually my favorite page because I think it shows like all the quality of work I've done and put into everything. So creating this website was definitely not difficult. I used Weebly, and I really liked Weebly. The only issue I'm having is logging back in so I can edit it, but I have all the information saved. I just don't understand why Weebly keeps taking me to like create a website page, and it's really frustrating. So I usually have to go on through a different web browser to get to where I need to be, which is kind of annoying. But I really enjoyed creating this website overall. I really enjoyed putting out all my information and hard work, and again, I think my favorite page has to be a sample work. I definitely want to use this in the future and kind of build off of it. And by build off of it, I mean in my future education courses that I am taking, possibly add different things to my sample work page, as well as put in on my resume more information about me doing internships, because I think that would boost my resume a lot more and my qualifications. The benefit of having this ePortfolio is because you have something to show for. So when I'm applying for a job at a school, I can give them this website address and they can actually go on and see and look at all the work I've done. And basically, yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching.